Uh, Good afternoon, guys. I am in Brazil and last month acquired in the United States the replicator model 5 generation. After some impressions in the last day, we were surprised by the abrupt termination of the command on the machine control panel. Did some tests and today opted to reinstall the firmware. After some difficulties, managed to connect the machine to the notebook and provide all necessary resettlement. Done. Try again, and the control panel still does not carry the function. When selected the statistic tab, appears only loading uninterrupted. The library erased and disappeared the file themselves. Finally, get through the notebook. Do you guys through the printing? Only program. I'm with the log that we have the achievement to obtain the machine. We are well unhappy with what happened to seek on the internet and could not find anything like it. I call your representative here in country, but does not give warranty. In addition, to begin far from São Paulo, I waited for position. Quer você melhor?